All right, let's take a look at this takeoff. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's a heavy bird. She's beautiful though. Awesome. Nice. Everybody's canopy is fogged up. I was just saying that everybody's canopy is fogged up. I'm going to capture that Corsair's landing. It's gear down. It's very foggy. As you can see, it's hard to see it in this light fog, but nevertheless it's doable. Here it comes. Lights, gear down. Beautiful landing. All right, Frank did a great job. Uh-oh, it did what my model did and get off the doggone runway. Yeah, this wetness gets everything sticky. The ground loops if you're not careful, etc. Beautiful.